Here we have a 2018 Polo GTI 200 PS, and as always on the DSG box has now come standard on these. Finished in limestone grey metallic, this is a one owner car with a full Volkswagen service history. A couple of upgrades on this car. One is what they call the active info display, more commonly known as the digital dash, which is standard on the Plus model, so that's a nice option to have on this, and also the electric heated adjustable folding door mirrors. Like I say, it's a one owner car from new, fully serviced through VW and fully approved through the VW approved programme, so will come with the 2-year approved package. Please do give the team a call on 0131 348 3210 for any details you need. Thank you.